Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we're going to head down to the state of Florida and we're going to be flying at my favorite place, DuBois Park in Jupiter. I'll be flying my DJI Neo 2 drone. I'm flying with Steve Barnett today, and we'll be heading to the lighthouse right through these trees here. I would never try this with my Mavic 3 Pro. I know the true FPV pilots are laughing at me, but I'm having fun. Let's head to the lighthouse. DuBois Park is such a great place to fly drones, and the Jupiter Lighthouse is beautiful. This is only my sixth flight with the Neo 2, so I'm still a little nervous, especially with the range. I'm using the DJI RCN3 controller. I hope you're not disappointed, but I chickened out getting halfway to the lighthouse. I'll make it to the lighthouse next time, but now it's time to bring the Neo 2 back home. Even though it was a cloudy day, Steve and I still had a great time. I enjoy flying drones with Steve. Flying the Neo 2 is totally different than flying the Mavic 3 Pro. But before I came home, I decided to look for some manatees. Let me know if you spot one. I thought I saw one, but it was the shadow of a tree. I wanted to take a selfie of me and Steve flying, but you need to get closer with this drone. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to watch my weekly live podcast on Thursday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern. And let's get kids hooked on drones, not drugs.